Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm up with a hair care routine video, and here I'm going to share a remedy which you can use once in a week or twice in a month to make your hair bouncy, silky, get rid of dandruff and hair fall as well. So there will be some basic ingredients and which are natural, completely natural ingredients. You can use them and make your hair look like you have done a spa or something like that for your hair. So we'll start with the video. Let's get started. So here we are with the bowl, and I've also kept a spoon in it. And here is the ingredient. The first ingredient is lemon. Second one is curd, and the next ingredient is one whole egg. So we'll start with the egg. We'll just break this and pour it here. Here goes one whole egg. Okay, now we'll add curd into it. So we can also take chas, like buttermilk, instead of curd. And this curd is like, I bought it like 2 days back, and I have kept it like this so that it gets sour and I can use it. And if you have buttermilk available with yourself, you can use that. And if you have curd, just keep it for 2-3 days. Let it be a little sour, not little, like a lot of it, like it should be sour enough so that you can add this. So I'll add this and then I'll add the lemon. I have poured out the entire curd in this bowl, and I'll start adding it, not the whole, but maybe half of this bowl. So here it goes. Like, I can add the equal amount as much as the egg. So let me mix it and see if this is enough or I need to add more, since I do not have such long hair. And also, if it will be very much in like a liquid consistency, then it will start falling and it will wet you entirely. So those who are vegetarian, or they are very much prone to like bad smell and stink, they don't like anything which stings a lot. So they can go for one whole banana instead of one egg, because it also does the same work. No issues in that. Like, you'll not face anything. Like, you don't think that it would be less worth if you use a banana. So both does the same work. Since I have also used banana instead of egg sometimes. So you can surely go for it. You can grind the banana in a grinder and then add curd in it. And then after that, we'll take this half slice of lemon and squeeze this lemon in it. So I have squeezed it. Squeeze the entire lemon. Now I have added all the 3 ingredients. So we'll go and see how to apply. So the application is very simple. Like, first you need to apply it on your scalp, and then moving forward you need to apply in your hair and then also at your ends. So I'll start applying it. Take flow of it and apply it on my scalp. You can make these places and then apply them there like this. And you can also keep a cloth on your shoulder so that the whatever spills out or whatever is falling, the liquid which falls, doesn't like wet your clothes or make that dirty. So I'm just going to take a towel. So now we need to keep it for like average time would be something between half an hour to 1 hour. So keep it for that long and then you can wash it. I'll show you the results and I'll also show you the shampoo which I'm going to use to wash it. So it has been more than half an hour and I'll just clean it. I'm going to use this shampoo. This is from Khadi Mori Herbal Amla and Bringraj shampoo. So I'll use this shampoo. This is of 210 ml and it costs around 175 rupees. So you can go for this. So there are many new Ayurvedic products, shampoos coming up in the market, like Kama is there and there are many more. Khadi Naturals, Khadi Indian, and this is Khadi Mori Herbal. So this is also one of the part of Khadi Naturals. So you can use this. This is my first time trying a natural herbal shampoo, so I went for this. I'll just try this and I'll see if it does something, like if it is helping me more than a chemical shampoo, so that I can switch to a herbal shampoo entirely. So I'm using this regularly, like since I have used it only once when I started, and I told you that I'm doing some remedy related to like a hair remedy for getting rid of gray hair. So for that purpose I have got this shampoo, because since I'm using my DIY shampoo, but that is not taking off all the oil from my hair, because of that I have just bought this, so that I can get rid of the entire oil using some other natural shampoo if when I want to go out or something. Since now I'm not going out, so that is the reason it hasn't been used much, and I'm using my DIY shampoo a lot. So once I'll start going out, then I need to have something which will clean my hair entirely. So for that I have got this shampoo and I'm going to use this only to clean my hair, and I'll show you the results very soon. And here is the final result. You can see like it has become very beautiful. I'll show you this. You can see how good it is looking. It has become so silky and smooth after using this ingredient. So I hope you like the remedy, and I'm wishing that you'll try this and keep supporting. Bye bye.